Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to revise our previous topic of day and night. Students, you remember we have learned that what we see in the daytime and at the night time. Students, you see clouds and sun in the daytime and stars and moons at the night time. Student, what is the color of sky in the morning time?
Ma'am, blue color.
Very good. What is the color of sky in the evening?
Ma'am, black color.
Very good. Now, students, you tell me about your daily routine. That what you do from the morning till the evening during the whole day. Like, ma'am, firstly, I wake up in the morning and then brush my teeth and go to the washroom to fresh up. After that, ma'am, I take bath and wear my school uniform and pack my bags. I pack books, geometry box, tiffin, water bottle in my school bag. After that, I have my lunch and go to the school. On the school van, ma'am, after coming from the school, I change my clothes and have my lunch. After that, I take rest for some time, ma'am. At the 5 o'clock, I visit to the park with my grandpa and play there on the swings with my friends. After coming from the park, I do my school homework given by the teacher, and then, ma'am, I have my dinner and go to bed to sleep at 9 p.m. Okay, students, now in this activity we have some numbers. I will show you some numbers and you will tell to me which number is this. Hargun? Okay, Hargun? Okay, now tell me. Now tell me which number is this? 36. Speak loudly.
36.
Very good. Now tell me which number is this?
5.
Very good. Now tell me which number is this?
1, 0, 10.
Very good. Now tell me which number is this?
28.
Very good. Very good. Hargun, tell me which number is this? 17. Very good. Now students, pick any number which you like. Pick your favorite number. Which number is this? 8. What is the color of number 8?
Red.
Very good. Now tell me, Hargun, what is the color of 2? Number 2?
Green.
Green. Very good. Now tell me, what is the number of 3? Or color of 3?
Yellow.
Very good. Your t-shirt color is also yellow. Okay, what is the color of number 6?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. Now students, let's do the activity of more and less. Now Hargun, tell me which is more beats, this one or this one? This one. Very good. This one is more beats and this one is less beats. Very good. Now I show you some another thing. Now Hargun, tell me, pencils are more or erasers are more? Pencils. Very good. And razors are less. Razors are very good. Okay, now Hargun, tell me, crayons are more or sharpeners are more? Crayons. Very good. And the sharpeners are less. Very good. Now Hargun, tell me, chalks are more or trees are more? Chalks. Very good. And trees are less.
Left.
And trees are
Left.
very good. Now Hargun, show me which hand have a more fingers? Yeah, equal. All are equal. All are equal. Now students, open your book, phonic booklet. Open page number 8. Now students, repeat with me. J
J.
U
U.
G
G.
jug.
Duck.
H
H.
U
U.
G
G.
hug.
Hug.
B
B.
U
U.
G
G.
bug.
Bug.
Hargun, speak loudly. B
B.
U
U.
N
N.
bun.
Bun.
B
B.
U
U.
D
D.
bud.
Bun.
S
H.
U
U.
N
N.
sun.
Sun.
C
C.
U
U.
B
B.
cup.
Cup.
C
C.
U
U.
B
B.
cup.
Cup.
N
N.
U
U.
T
T.
nut.
Nut.
T
T.
U
U.
B
B.
T
T
hut.
hut.
Now students, open your book. I Can Achievers Workbook. Open page number 37. Now students, here you will trace and write. Say the words as you write. Okay? Hargun, say okay.
Okay.
J
J
A
A
M
M
jam.
J
Right here jam. P
P
A
A
D
D
pad.
pen.
Letter pad.
Letter pen.
Speak loudly. Letter pad. Right here pad. Next word is sad. S
H
A
A
D
D
sad.
cat.
Udas. S A D sad right here. Now students, open page number 38. Here students, you will also trace and write. B
B
E
E
D
D
bed.
bat.
Right here bed. R
R
E
E
D
D
red.
rat.
So right here red. P
P
E
E
G
G
peg.
pet.
P
P
E
E
G
G
peg.
pet.
Right here peg. Now students, open your book. I Can Achievers Read and Learn Phonic Booklet 2. Here students, you open page number 28. Sight words. Here students, we read sight words. Look at these words. Read them aloud. W-E, we. W-E, we. W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-O-U, U. Y-O-U-U. E-A-T, eat. E-A-T, eat. O-U-T, out. O-U-T, out. O-U-R, or. O-U-R, or. T-double-O-2. T-double-O-2. T-H-I-S, this. T-H-I-S, this. A-M-M. A-double-L, all. A-double-L, all. A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. Students, you read and carefully. I hope you have enjoyed the story. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss the things what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch children, do your work, play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning kids. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.